Hi, now I'll show you how to use the app connected with the scooter. So we are looking with you can install the app, open the app. You see this from here. You can scan, you can see there is a one PC. You press here, you choose, and then you come here. You see, it's this echo is stable, not flashing. If it's flashing, means not connected. Okay. Now you come here, you can see the speed. It's a mileage and the battery. See the speed like this. You can middle speed, high speed. You turn on the lights, turn off the lights. Locked. It locks the scooter, so you cannot move because it's locked already. Okay, unlock. Okay, now is the low speed again. Here are the settings. You can see cruise. Okay, I want to here. It means is cruising is activated. Here is the kilometer per hour. I want the mile per hour. See mile per hour. Start setting. We want to go directly, or we want to kick and go. Anything you can check. You also can select this. You can see the version. You also can check the system. You can check like the motor, everything. Any part is damaged, you can check from here, like the doctor. Okay. And sometimes you can change the name. You can change the name of the scooter. Like I want to call it like a Frigo. And I want to change the password. The default password is 1 2 3 4 5 6. I want to change it to like 1 2 3 3 2 1. 1 2 3 3 2 1. Done. Sorry, the change is correct. Okay. In this way, nobody can control your scooter because you change the password. Every time they connect the Bluetooth, they must use the correct password. Otherwise, they cannot access. Thank you for watching. I will introduce more in the next video. Thank you.